Please don't be late.
Please, please. Hey, listen, they ain't never got to worry about me running to no ship. He said, please be back by 4:30. He ain't never got to worry about me running back to a ship. I make sure I'm back in time. Oh, man.
We're going to catch this shuttle.
What shuttle? Oh, no, she gonna catch the shuttle. I'm walking. She talking, I'm walking. Of course, I'm with my wife. The shuttle becomes more of an option. If I was by myself, I would be walking. As we head on to Costa Maya, we whistle at everybody to get them out of the way. Whistling everybody, saying, hey, you, get out of the way. Ahora, the beautiful backside of the ship. Nice. All right, so slow poking our way through this touristy area of Costa Maya, where all the shops are. Oh, she looking at jewelry. I'm headed in the opposite direction. she headed to the jewelry store. I'm going in the opposite direction. We're not gonna get to like get out and explore all over Costa Maya.
Oh, yeah.
We're not leaving the port.
Yeah.
And not because of the whole conflict thing. We're here more so because one, I don't feel like spending a bunch of money to go check out somewhere else right now.
Yeah.
We did that yesterday. I mean, this is a cool little area over here. You definitely gotta buy something to use it. You gotta buy something to use it. You can't just come over here and sit down. They want you to buy. You gotta make your purchase, they say. I see. But, you know, listen, I see that you gotta have plenty of cash on you.
Oh yeah.
I saw it was a tip bucket in the bathroom.
It was a tip bucket in the store, like
A tip bucket in the bathroom. It was a tip bucket
at the
everywhere.
cash register in the store.
All right, man. I am, I don't know. I think I'm ready. If she's ready. No, she slept for 16 hours last night. She slept for 16 hours and she's still sleepy. But me, I slept for 6 hours and I'm ready to go. Ready to dance the night away. We came for our 30 minutes of Costa Maya.
Picture. A quick tour. Quick tour around the port.
Just the port area. We didn't go anywhere.
Nah.
We still got days more to go.
But it was a real nice area. I like how they had the little pool set up and a couple of chairs and chill spots and stuff. So it was nice.
Yeah.
It was good.
And out of 4 tries of coming here, we finally made it.
Yes.
At least we can finally say we've been to Costa Maya. All right, back to the ship we go. I want to make sure I pay attention to while we're on our way back over to the Bahamas from Cozumel, because World America has been a very smooth ship. This thing been sailing. It's been sailing smoothly. Yeah, I don't want to jump the gun and say it's the ship, but hey, it's been even Icon was rocking. Even the Icon had a lot of movement. Even the Icon had a lot of movement. So yeah, we're gonna see.
Yeah.
And you know, MSC is Mediterranean Shipping Company. So they are definitely used to sailing through storms and stuff for all the years that it's been in existence. So maybe that has something to do with the structure of their cruise ships and knowing how to make sure they build something that's worthy of said rough seas.
show you how perfectly located my room is. I just walked out of the door and right here, the elevators. Yeah, but I'm going down one floor, so I'm not taking the elevators. I'm going down the stairs. Yeah, because that's what I do a lot of. I take the stairs. I don't even want to wait like that at all.
This is the back of the ship.
And
It is? No, we have to go to the
just that quick,
The onboard's in half.
That's the back. The ocean.
let the word
right there.
organize. Let's go.
All right, somebody decided to come downstairs, so yeah, we just came down. She said the chairs upstairs had her butt, so yeah. Try this gyro, man. What's going on?
He said he gonna bring it to us.
Oh, okay.
He thought we was upstairs. He said he's still upstairs. I said, no, we right here now.
Okay. What do we have here? Oh, you wore a different one. Lamb. Just lamb?
Yeah.
All right. Well, she said it's
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Lamb.
Thank you. All right.
my dog Arthur will be excited right now. He love him some lamb. Okay, let's see what we got here. All right, you know what I'm saying? It wasn't as good as the ones I've had inland.
Yeah, the past.
But it was good to break up the monotony of some of the things that we've tried while on the ship.
Yeah, it wasn't the shade. It wasn't the shade for me.
Yeah, I'm not really sure if the shaved meat was the difference maker to me. I know it had a different taste.
Yeah.
So maybe it was the seasoning on the meat for me. But it wasn't bad. It was just the ones that I've had inland was better.
Yeah. But nice little try, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Just to say.
Oh yeah, I would have it again. I just,
Yeah.
Probably one of the cheaper things that you can buy at
Yeah,
food
that's true.
on here.
Yeah.
What was it, $10?
Now, the only thing, yeah, but it was an 18% service charge automatically.
Oh, yeah. See, it's like,
You know they got to get you.
so that brought it up to what?
I got to check my charge. Hold on, let me see.
See, that's why it's like, dude, just give me the price. Like, don't tell me you charging me a service charge. Just tell me that was the price.
Yeah.
Like, don't tell me $10 and then it end up being $15 because you added a charge. Then just tell me it was $15. What did you confirm that our Fantastica come with?
It allows cabin selection. So it allows, so when you pick the cabin, you were able to pick our cabin.
Yeah.
24-hour room service with free delivery, so no charge if you have something delivered, but you just pay for the food or whatever you get. And then a one-time free cruise change. So if we would have got on the ship, something was wrong with our room, or we didn't like the location, they would have moved us based on availability to another room.
Okay.
And so that's
So how many levels are there?
So there's 3 levels. the lower level is called Bella. It's a guaranteed assigned cabin. That means they pick the cabin for you. And then there's no free room service. Then you got the Fantastica. That's the one we have. And then you have the Aria, which is the premium level, and it includes spa access, better cabin locations, and anytime dining. So that's why we couldn't be able to pick, just having because that had to be under the.
Okay. So that explains why the guy said that he had Aurora, but but he had an intent.
I was confused because people were saying other people were coming into that little pool, but I'm like, it don't say that you get only access to that. I can understand if it was the spot.
Well, that's not. They weren't saying the pool into that area. It's not that pool, that indoor pool. When you go up those stairs, where the pool deck is, when you go up those stairs, at a certain point, it's a key. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. They was complaining about that.
Okay. So yeah.
All right. Yeah. So we learned. Hey, we becoming MSC specialists.
Learn as we go.
I'm telling you, man. Instantly, I'm gonna go ahead and say it. Just like that, folks. MSC has leapfrogged Carnival Cruise Lines for me.
Not leapfrog.
I'm telling you, at one point, Carnival was my number one. Now, Royal Caribbean's Icon class is by far number one for me. Followed by Oasis class. Then I'm going with MSC World Class. Yeah, MSC World Class.
Okay. All right.
Then we're gonna go Margaritaville at sea. Then we're gonna go cruise lines I haven't even been on yet. Celebrity, Norwegian. We're gonna go with, after that, we're gonna go with the man that owns the boat dock by the creek, then Carnival.
Wait. Not you, Mr. Carnival guy.
Yeah, Carnival fell.
You used to be.
Carnival fell all the way off for me.
That is so hilarious.
Carnival fell all the way off.
That is hilarious, because you used to be a Carnival.
They fell
person.
off of it.
Anytime I used to be like, I'm a Royal Caribbean, you was like, no.
Yeah, Carnival fell off, man.
I'm a Carnival.
Okay. Yeah. Sorry, buddy. Sorry, Carnival. Adios. And we're booked for the Carnival ship that comes out in 2027. But because we do content.
Yeah.
I'm not all that excited about getting on it. I don't know that they're even willing to fix what made me get to this point. But the structure of the new ship, I liked it. There are things that I like, that central stage thing. That's wrong place for major concerts, for major productions. Wrong place. That's just one of the things that just, yeah. So yeah. All right. MSC World America. Get my vote. You get my vote.
They are. So far, so good. Oh, we about to see how this Love and Marriage show, how it compares to all the other.
Yeah, but I think because of the cruise, because of the cruiser rate that we have, he gonna kill it. Oh, he gonna kill it.
It's gonna be hilarious.
He will kill it.
Yeah.
Only thing I do give Carnival the comedy shows and nightclub, but we don't really do nightclubs. Every blue moon, a few minutes, and we out. So that's not really a major for me. Comedy shows, I like comedy shows. I love a good comedy show. But, sorry, I'm still giving everything to MSC. MSC World America, at least for now, because we haven't been on anything else MSC.
Yeah.
MSC World America. Yeah. One thing I've learned about this location is that, about this ship, is that it have a lot of cool spots to kind of like, and when I say, I ain't talking about we cool right now, it's actually hot back here because the sun is beating. This is the aft of the ship. This is the farthest back on deck 8. But it's a lot of seating, a lot of area back here where you can go and watch the sunset. It's a cool little spot to come in and check it out and be here. For the people that like the sun beating on them, you will love this. But of course, that's just during this time of the day. It's not always this time of the day.
Until the sun goes down. Yep.
Yeah. Nice panoramic view.
Oh yeah.
But this is just one of many spots. We'll try to cover them, and as many of them as we can.
Nice, quiet, subtle music playing.
We can come out here at night, like, and like when it's late and everybody
area.
gone. And really, I could tell that this will be a good little chill area.
Yep.
The shore's getting tight too. Alright, y'all next. Oh, you tapping out? Okay, they tapping out. Alright, stand up and then, was it one more? No. When and where did you first meet? When and where did you first meet? It's an interesting names club. Was that a wrestling match? Yeah, you gotta write that down. Yes, that's why you're up here. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, she hearing aid. Okay, I'll help you out. Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth? Okay, cool. What's your pet name that she calls you? Like a stripper name when you get out the shower? Does she call you her little Top Gun, maybe? Maybe she calls you like her risky business. I don't know. Anything. Tom Cruise's uncle. What does she call you when you step out of the shower? Do you have a stripper name right there? Okay, nice. Oh, yeah, you do. All right. Y'all ready for some answers? Yeah. What'd you think of it when you saw it there first?
Oh, yeah, I was, yeah, that's the one.
That's the one. All right. That's the correct answer. Kiss.
Man, listen, it is 2:00 in the morning.
It is. Actually, it's after 2. It's 2:20.
But I will say this though, this is just it just speaks to the type of cruise we've had. Everything about this cruise is opposite of what is not our norm.
Yes.
From her being the highlight of the sail away party to us participating in love and actually on stage for love and marriage,
Yes.
to riding jet skis. Everything has been definitely not our norm. Because we've been dancing and sweating and all types of stuff. Yeah.
And I mean, we hanging out with the young people. Like, it's after 2:00 in the morning and we are still up. And so, but it's been fun. It's been great. Love and marriage was great. Definitely was not expecting to walk away with gifts at the end of it all.
Yep.
So
yeah, we finna call it a night, man. Tomorrow's Cozumel.
And we supposed to be going to like some type of beach club or something like that. So it'll be a nice little experience with, more beach time and good eating and maybe a margarita here or there. We'll see. All right.
All right, man. Good night, ladies and gentlemen. We'll do this again tomorrow. If we missed out on anything today, we'll try to do better tomorrow. All right? Y'all have a good one. Where to next? To sleep.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Yeah. We're off the ship here in Cozumel.
Cozumel.
Day 5. Starting off live.
Yes.
You know it. We're about to get into something. I'm just participating.
Yeah.
I'm just participating, man. Because that's what I do.
To some type of beach club.
Yeah. I just participate.
And enjoy the water.
Nice
Water
color.
is clear.
Yeah.
It's pretty.
Now I'm gonna say that.
Fish.
Yeah. I'm gonna say that I've been to Cozumel quite a few times and
this looks so
never been to
different.
this part.
Right.
Never been ported here. I think we've been ported over there where we see ships in the distance here. Yep. Let's enjoy our day. Come on. I ain't getting crazy today though. Keep it simple.
I learned plenty language in this country. On the ship too. Yeah, you want to learn? Yeah, come see me.
Calentura pura, chula, te prende el fueguito, el disco en la tula. Le explote la pista, nunca te quita, tú me castigas. Party, después para el after party. Nuestros labios Bacardi te vuelven super natty. Ey, baby, vamos pa'l party, guayando todo el tiempo, a rindar todo el cuerpo, un piquetazo lento.
Raw like tartar, saucy drizzled up passata. I can be a coach like Carter. If you got the fee, we can barter. I got the pack that you need for a starter. Rebel, not a martyr. Truth is, nah, they can't do it like me. It's Janset, baby, know what I mean. Little spice in the scene, and we break it down, yeah, you know what I mean. Yeah, make it go up and down scene. Rocker that we drink is better than the lean. Flow's got me feeling.
La jefe.
If I had me a Cuban, I'll be all right.
El jefe de jefe.
Out here in Cozumel, Mexico. We must live on the edge. Everywhere we go.
Muévelo como tembleque, baila como triple, nalga piquete. Un pechori, baby, estamos al garete. Una muñequita, pero no es un juguete. Party, guayando todo el tiempo, a rindar todo el cuerpo, un piquetazo lento. Dale, Jen.
Vibe is meant, you know what I mean. Eyes looking mean, you know what I mean. Handle the flow, you know what I mean. Yeah, now is looking keen.
I must say that this trip has been a trip of,
First time.
yeah, a lot of first time. Doing something different. I mean, we do, don't get me wrong now, we do stuff different. We just don't be adventurous. You know what I mean? We got some people that with us that they want to just, like, they want to spend an extra $2,000 on doing stuff. You know what I'm saying? They want to. We got friends with us right now that they want to spend, aside from the money they spent on the cruise, they want to spend another $2,000.
Yeah. They got us out here.
Yeah.
We out here.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
We out here.
Oh yeah. Yeah. They, I mean, like ATM be like, oh, there they go. Okay. ATMs be like, there they go. I'm not fooling with them for the rest of the trip. Today is Wednesday. I guarantee that Saturday we get off the ship with whatever money I got in my pocket, I'm gonna have some money left over. We got bills to pay when we get back home.
Right. We're gonna be at Ocean Cay, right?
Yeah. We ain't got to spend no money. We ain't spend no money at Ocean Cay.
So we should be good.
Oh, okay, okay. But this one right here, listen, my wife be like, she want to tip everybody. She want to tip some random guy in the bathroom. She want me to tip, like, just walking down the hallway, just, thank you for your service. Thank you very much. 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 Thank you very much.
Hey.
Huh. Yeah.
Just want to make sure that, people who has serviced us, they get their...
I work service job too. I work in service as well, and I don't get no tips. I don't get no tips. I just do my job. I just do my job. Anyway, we're here in Cozumel, Mexico, trying something different for the first time. We're at a beach hotel called Hotel B. I highly suggest coming through, man. Once you pay to get in here, you get to eat. You basically get to spend the money that you get in here on eating.
Yep.
Or drinking or whatever you decide to do. But you get to, yeah.
Yep.
It was worth it. I'm out of here, y'all. I can't right now. And they talking about, look, the ship look like it's, okay, yeah. I'm out of here. Y'all see what time it is. Yeah, gotta go. Yeah. Headed back to the ship.
Yes.
Listen, there was a good Cozumel visit, man. I was a little apprehensive about coming to Cozumel because of the fact that, we've been here before and don't really do much. And we actually found some things to do this time.
Oh, yeah.
So, yeah.
Thanks to,
Thanks to our girl, Nail Does It. DJ Nail Does It. Yeah.
Giving us the...
Go ahead and, look her up.
The how-tos around the islands.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. Let's get back on to figure out what we're doing next.
Yes. 80s party tonight. So.
Oh, yeah. 80s party.
Gotta get ready
for that. And you already know your boy is ready. You will see it.